the good breakfast is.
Yeah, first 5 minutes here.
Yeah,
On a
gotta
moped.
get breakfast.
Your hair's in my mouth.
Don't eat my.
Dang.
Yeah. Oh, look at the breakfast. Do you? I think we should get the grilled chicken.
I think
Thôi cái hàng. Buy more what bowl. Hey Adam. First breakfast 5 minutes after get off the car.
I'm excited.
I'm excited. Yeah.
No people.
Look at that. I got the thighs and then the organs. Look good. And this is the pickles and the sauce. And great iced tea.
Hôm nay là tớ chưa được chả được ăn gì.
Vô được cháo vô lọt. Không mỏ. So excited. Huh? Good. You should try first with it's very famous on Facebook though.
Yeah.
Yep. Called Buy More What Bowl.
Right.
Yeah. No, that's so fat in Cambodia. Maybe we should come back in August.
With the kids.
Oh. Chili is good.
Really? I don't know that. That is good. Oh, we got a
Yeah.
Spicy.
Oh, really good.
Cái hàng rồi.
You buy you buy.
Nhiều. Tôi có thằng có làm được làm.
Wow.
Hả? Rất good.
Cooked to perfection. Really good. Cute. So slay không?
Bơ cà phê đẹp anh đi tập đoàn khác hay là latte bơ anh đi score nào
Ồ, giống như là tê bậy.
latte bơ muối
Score hay phèn man ấy.
hay khoảng nhóm medium lát hay cho một là strong
Như signature
signature đấy
like nhỏ
tập
sẵn.
nó tí cao nó cũng
Anh khư hỏng bị thọ thủ cả. Tầm ấy. It's called Bow Cafe in Siem Reap. Cái nó bẹt đại tơ. Hột cái. It's good. It's good coffee. We are now in Bante Srai Temple. Today is a slow, easy day for us. We don't get a tour guide. And that's my mother. Tour guide. Họ bị bắt tầm bòn.
Đo lại cộng.
Very beautiful. Giật trai không bị dao. Lấy bạc lời ai trai. Hả? Đã lấy sách trai. Đại trả đại áo được từ các bạn trai. Oh, okay. So beautiful. Going to Vantier Samrai. This is my first time here. Let's see how it's look like. I don't know the history of this. ស្អាតតោះស្អាតទៅ It's
slow screen ទៅពេញបាទ
Yeah.
Was it a baby coffin? And that's not a very big coffin. Huh?
និយាយនោះគឺដូចបាត់ប្រវត្តិយល់អត់បើភាសាគេដឹងថាកសាងតែណា
This is library Yeah ដល់ពេលថតរូបហើយដូចអង្គរច្រើនដូចអង្គរអូឡែង អូមកចាក់ដាក់ឈ្ងុយម៉ែជិះពីនោះមកឆ្ងាយអត់ពីផ្ទះយើងមកឡើងវិញឆ្ងាយអត់ចាចូលហ៎ ចាចូលឆ្ងាយអូ The coconut
អានេះនោះក្តៅយូរ
អូ
ទៅយក
I think your mom would like it. Nhưng tính mỗi khi bây giờ mua sắp bay rồi mua một bọn anh.
It's a weird, I don't think I need the coconut.
Mà mua một quán ăn thọ.
Không khó.
But this only costs $2.50. No, 25 cents.
What?
This
All of it?
one each
Oh,
only
one each,
25
okay.
cents. Like look at that, how many? I think like 8 pieces for only 25 cents.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry for that.
អាហ្នឹងគាត់ថា3ហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងអត់ទៅចូលចិត្តហ្នឹងណាចាគាត់អត់ចូលចិត្តណា
ខ្ញុំឆ្ងាញ់ខ្ទិះវាមកពេញមកដល់ការស៊ីតែ
ខ្ញុំបានណាគេ
បាទហេតុ
palm cake នំអាកាថ្នោត I have coconut Adam eat all the coconut creamery look at it inside អាយីក៏ចូលចិត្តដែរអាយីទិញទៅ
កាលដូចចែងទៅវិញដាក់ទៅ
ចាំមានទិញណាអានេះ fun
អាយីដាក់ទៅខ្លួនឯងដាក់កយើងដាក់កឆ្នៃដាក់កឲ្យយកទៅ
mà cho con hai para gọi cho tôi nói lại đập bê tiếng ạc tiếng nó về chủ những cái chuyện thay ạ chuyện very good chuyện
trong cái việc nào vô được ha đi
Tập 6 gram dục nó là đẹp mà buồn nào mọi người chạy buồn matcha latte ពណ៌នេះស្អាតណាស់នេះ
អ
right. Chị lái mấy con kho thả trong. Brecon Temple. Xa ra mới tới sập hiệp vậy mưa hồi nay mưa không lại mưa lời thôi à. Hai ba trăm bảy ít đứt đây.
Justement, c'est parce que le Wi-Fi, ça permet aux gens de se connecter sur Internet sans avoir de forfait, sans avoir de carte aussi.
Đam spawn. Nângដូចនៅតាព្រំអត់ដូចនៅតាព្រំអត់លោកគោ This is a college. Oh, đọc một tranh. Sụp đập thuộc mũi. So this is the wife, our queen, like Queen Indra Devi. Oh, so beautiful. This is the first wife of our great King Jimmu. Càng choáng càng đam mình. Choáng. Sang phía thật đó nó sang phía rồi. No, oh. So this is the library. Look at that. It's pretty. Chắc mà cái xa in quản giấy thầu này chẳng chụp bức rẻ xa mà xiêm riệp thoát lấy công an này nè lôi hình hả lôi thật đã đăng luôn á
Alo, môi pi bay.
It looks so good. Oh, and then we have honey glazed chickens and the tam. Hãy buôn nè buôn một cái giường đó là giường. It's been a while. Sạ, quạt sạ.
Chú bạn chú bọc. Hook it up with a good piece of chicken. Chua.
Chua theo.
Chicken là lắm.
Great, but chua chang. Very good.
The soup.
Yeah, you want to try? Yeah. You usually don't really like sour soup, so that's why.
You like the sweet and sour.
Like lemongrass. Hơi gồm. Còn đào gì?
With like little shrimp. You like it?
Có cái đường này nữa.
Oh, yeah. Eat my chicken. Úp bông khoáng. Go. Phải dư không? Nó tới hết đâu. Đừng sợ gì.
Đây là không dùng lemongrass. Không được thấy cái nào lên không?
Nó mau lực nó chút xíu rồi đó, làm xíu tên. Để anh bạch lô.
Yeah, this chicken good.
You like the chicken?
Grab up.
Oh, that's really good.
Smoky.
This is a real Cambodian food. Yeah.
Where's Robert?
Where's Robert? You want Robert?
Yeah, I want Robert to come hang out to this meet with us. That's for us too.
That's the whole fish.
Is that for us?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have to take this home, huh?
Yeah, I'll put on that.
Jesus.
Chứ mấy này Nam ăn đây hả?
Ngon không? Ngon phải
cái à?
ឆ្លងឆ្នាំអីក៏
And to give like welcome drinks. Yeah, the drinks so pretty. Chắc là anh camera nữa, boss ạ.
Oh, that's probably why they went for Bitcoin just went below 65. I guess that's
Sad man. There's avocado underneath.
Is it just me or is this a little over the top?
Yeah. I never have poached pears before,
That's
so
interesting.
yeah. But you can smell your coffee before you make the purchase too. I've been here before.
Oh yeah, I've been here. I remember.
You take off your hat. This is hot. It's so good.
You know my sprout? They'll love too hot.
Huh?
You know my sprout? They'll love too hot.
But you're supposed to put the secret outside, right? Yeah. To cook it?
To cook it?
Yeah.
They'll do it.
You're not eating it separately.
What?
You're not eating the secret separately.
Give me out the rest, right? Put my hand. You have spicy?
Yeah. You want chili? There's
A little
a
bit.
chili.
A little bit. Like it?
Here, em ba tay nông tất cả hiên còn hay hả? Chấp nhận.
Dạ. Đến đây là em thành chào ăn Only student want to be doctor, learn French. Yeah. In medical school, teacher used to learn. Because today Cambodian territory 4 times smaller than the god of protection and Brahma the god of creation. When the world there are more devil than God. Shiva the half part is finished but the top part is not finished yet. Yes, here is the Hanuman. Next step Hanuman is the monkey god. And Saparako Prabodhi with the something the stone broken and then replaced by the concrete. See the concrete. The concrete. Today, German and Japanese archaeologists in the side of planet. They made the library design and then the library on the other side. 3 and 4, decoding the concept, the club, the disc, and then the board. The board.
Yeah. Tôi lại Nam em xin chở giấy quả một hàng.
Temple built about 70 years after Temple Angkor Wat of the stone. And this temple when they built, just stone on stone. So between the stone, water. And these are Cambodian army. Karami with long ear, no head cover, hold.
So the Chinese, how can you tell the difference between the Chinese and the Cambodians?
Yes.
Elephant and horses is the main transportation, and we don't have any
Chinese beard.
Beer. Oh.
Short ear, the head cover, and slant ear. And then the Chinese businessmen, they join the army. And the head, Cambodia to fight with the Chan, CHAM, in the center of Vietnam today, in Misan, Maisan, Maisan. Yeah. So during the Buddhist temple, Vietnam had only the north of Vietnam. And the north of Vietnam independent from China in 9th century. In the center of Vietnam today, in 16th century. And then South Vietnam from Cambodia in 20th century. The horn, pounding drum to encourage the army. Bravo, bravo, bravo. And that jackfruit umbrella to sell in the market. And most of them, Chinese. Here. Chinese very good in business, even today. And low part restaurant. Chinese boy cut the meat of the deer and then cooking the food for the client. And some of them are drinking the wine, and they put the wine in the pot. So when drinking the wine, he get drunk and then dance. The same today, get drunk dance. Water festival, boat racing. In this year on 14th, on 5th and 6th November, water festival, boat racing.
Hospital?
Yeah, hospital. Here the patient and the herbal doctor. He opened the basket to take the herbal medicine for this patient. And then a lady removing lice. Older than no shampoo to clean, removing lice. And this lady giving a birth to a baby. And hunter, he kicking the crossbow to get the power and then shooting the deer.
Oh.
One party Cambodian, long ear, another party Chinese,
Ah.
and the beard, and they're betting on the cockfighting.
Tiêu mỏ này. Cho một lấy. Hả?
don't know. She's not here. We'll see.
Mama will find out through YouTube.
Yeah.
Please wear the This is where my meat come from.
Picture of it for my mama. She's like, here's what you miss.
This is the Prahok sauce. This place is very famous for this.
You can't do this for my mama. She ain't got it.
Here with banana. Làm chi? Banana tree.
Ooh, it smells good.
This is amok, and there's garlic fried rice. This is our lunch. Trên chọn cái chọn.
Yeah.
Nước rồi. Ôi chồng tới hả? Hả?
How many kilos of bacon is that?
A half kilo, so 1 pound. About 1 pound. Oh, and I got some. Bọc thịt nó nè. Thế là bọc thịt ngon. Thịt nó nè.
Get them up.
This one made with chicken. We're going to Prasad Nippon. So hot, we have to walk through the boat, not the boat, the bridge, and so it's filled with lily, the water lily. Ủa sạch mà. Mực không ạ. Cái lợi. It's very green here. First time at Studio Matcha. They just recently opened. Oh, so green. So there you are. Oh, look at this. Where are you? Huh? I don't know. I'm so happy. I feel like I'm in Tokyo Lab. Huh? Yeah. Well, here you have to be different so people can come see you, right? Huh? Oh, so green. And then Adam gets iced lemon tea. I got matcha with birdness. And this is where we are having dinner today, and we're gonna have a show at 7:30. Yep. So I have num bật chọc sò curry. Sẽ có sập sập.
Thơ lại nền mà.
Mango? Sure. Look. Mango is really good.
I'm good with coconut too.
I think this is my favorite mango.
Yeah, this is really good.
Nam xả mango chứ.
Good,
Và
Thái.
vô kim một điểm.
Sô cô la tiếp theo đồ. Now, we got passion fruit and coconut.
We got coconut and chocolate chip. Chocolate. Chocolate bỏ sò.
Số ta ấy sô cô la, nó thẳng nó cái canh sô cô la.
And this is coconut, it's like very close. But I think it's too much gritty.
Yeah, it's a little bit too sweet too. But the mango, damn, that's good.
The passion nè, passion fruit.
Này rất là hay thật. Mới really just giỏi. Strong? You just gotta take it. You just gotta do it, Sochi. Just do it.
This is stronger than vodka.
Really?
Yeah,
Like what percent do you think it is? Let me smell it.
it's too strong.
Oh, that smells so sour.
Oh, nhóc không?
Don't forget.
Video. So, ấy, tập tôi thấy什么tập trung. Oh, anh ấy ở đây.
That one's not bad.
Ở đây à? Sắm khăn cái đáy thấy thật sẽ ăn tạc gọ liền. Trying to see the sunrise, but I think the sunrise take a day off today. I really like this temple. This is really cool. Yeah.
Buddha figure.
Oh, there's a line now.
And that's it.
Hace mucho calor, como 33 grados, pero es seco. Pero en el invierno nieva. Tenemos las cuatro.
They want to show to the people how to lead that.
Nè, tên thấy nó bẹp vậy. Ừ, có thả alien thì là so many people. Photo. Có tham anh đang thơ bị alien ấy.
Okay, so here right now, no people on this side, please, yeah? Click a little bit. Clear, down, here. Perfect.
Look at there, the corner of it, yeah.
Ừ.